In this video, we'll install ComponentOne Studio using the C1ControlPanel. First, download the C1ControlPanel from grapecity.com. When you first launch the ComponentOne control panel, you'll be prompted to log in. These are the same credentials used on the Grape City website. You can register here if you haven't already. You can also use the control panel without logging in via the Proceed as Anonymous User option. The C1ControlPanel is an online installer and will need to fetch packages from our servers. If your dev environment is behind a firewall or proxy and cannot access our servers, we have an offline version of the installer available. Please contact our support team to get the latest offline installer by going to grapecity.com and clicking Support at the top. Once you've launched the C1ControlPanel and logged in, you can install specific additions by clicking on the Install button. Alternatively, you can click All Additions at the top, then click Proceed to install everything. If you have any questions or issues during the installation or trial of ComponentOne controls, our customer engagement team is here and ready to help. Learn more about everything ComponentOne has to offer. Continue with ComponentOne Getting Started series.